Hi, I am Jatin Bhatt, owner of Top Wash Limited. I am in this business of laundry and dry cleaning since last 2 years. I have started in Mumbai in Kandivali, and within next 6 months I have started another two, and planning many more in Mumbai in the coming 6 to 8 months. In today's world, if you want to scale up your business, you need the help of a software provider. So as a part of my research, I came across many software providers who are in this dry cleaning industry. I evaluated many options. I need someone with whom I can build a long-term relationship, very good backend support, very good customer facing support, and which are also very cost effective. So I have taken a demo of many prominent software provider, but the one company I found, which is Turns. As I started my business, I came to know that to retain a customer and to build a very long good term relationship, customer needs a constant communication with them. Like they want their invoice on the WhatsApp, they want the status, they want to know the status of the delivery of the clothes, they want to make the online payment, and so on. So all these things, Turns helped me with all these things. It has been very easy and very convenient. I have multiple locations, so they provided me all the locations. I can manage it with a very single dashboard on my computer screen, and through that I can manage all my stores. It has been very easy for me. Turns has some really very good features like packages. I can sell my prepaid packages with almost 20-30% of the customers are using it. So I can do it only with the help of my software. uh, Sitting on a single location, I can Turns help me with the providing me white enabled mobile app, so that customer can down the mobile app throughout any corner of the Mumbai. They just download it, they book the pickup and delivery for that, and I am providing that pickup and delivery services. I can retain and attain those customers whom, if Turns were not there, I can never be able to reach them from far locations, from 10, 15, 20 kilometers. As of now, I am having 3 locations in Mumbai, and I am having around 15 employees. So Turns help me with keeping me data of all the employees, keeping me data of all the cash register of each individual stores. We open it with the cash register, closing it, and everything. Uh, Revenue, profits, all the data. For each different stores, there are each different data. But as an admin, I can see it on my single dashboard. So it is very easy for me. And I am planning many more locations with the help of Turns. I am planning to scale it up more. And thank you, Turns, for that.